Damon, show me. Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Tonight we're going to be continuing on with the live streaming development of Ghosted, the point-and-click text-based adventure game that we've been working on. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right on in and get started. Damon, main screen. Damon, main screen.
Showing your computer screen.
There we go. He's picky. Damon, 2-hour timer. Damon, 2-hour timer.
The Mitching Hour has entered the chat. Welcome,
hello.
the Mitching Hour. 2-hour timer has begun.
Hello, Mitch. How's it going, sir? Ooh, hold up. Just gotta silence me phone, otherwise it's gonna be blooping the whole time. Yes. Do not disturb. Thank you. How's it going, Mitch? How's your night going? Still working with the caching stuff, I take it, hey? I like the timer. That's a neat addition. Thank you, sir. It's partly for the audience and it's partly for myself to keep me on track. Just so I don't go like way over time and start burning myself out again. So yeah. So where we left off last time was we were getting a walking cycle down. And we got about halfway into it. Well, halfway into her down walking animation. Yeah, I have no idea how to implement this thing. It's using imports, but Node doesn't have imports, only require. Yeah, you should be able to use require in place of an import. It's pretty much the same thing as far as I understand it. I could be way wrong on that, so don't quote me, but as far as I know, it's similar. So I'm just trying to get an idea of... So it looks like we put this leg further back. You know what I'm actually going to do, just to make our lives a bit easier and hopefully not mess us up later, is I'm going to just put that there, that frame there, and then we can just use onion skinning. Yeah, so it's actually not that much further back. I'm replacing import API cache from API cache with const API cache equals require API cache. Okay, yeah. Only thing with that, Mitch, is I think... Sorry about the formatting. No sweat, man. I think the only thing with that is if it's the default export, which it looks like it is from the import statement you pasted, you'll want to remove the curly braces. That might trip it up, but maybe it depends on how they're exporting it. Did that do it? One sec, trying now. Sweet. Got random junk on my screen. No bueno. I was wondering. If it would be easier to just like flip the animation. I know that's kind of cheating, but nah, we'll draw it out. Alright, so that comes up there. That is equal with that. Oh, although that one just goes out. Phew. Yeah, let me know how that goes, man. I'm curious if that works. And once you've imported it, you can always console log it to make sure it is sort of like the object you're expecting. Alright. Now that we've got that one, we can move this frame back to here, I think it was. And that one. Move this one over there. Oh, wait. But gotta move it down. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I think that works. No errors so far. Good stuff, man. Up by 6 pixels. Yeah. Okay, well, it's not gonna be perfect, but close enough. There we go. Before we even get started, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So this one will be about equal with it. I'm not the most anal retentive animator in the world, I promise. Okay, so get her pants down on that side.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like
Okay, hang on.
the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
Oh yeah, okay, that's right. That'll, cause that leg will move back. Sorry if there's background noise, folks. My roommate's just playing guitar.
Urban Hermit Dev has entered the chat. Welcome,
Hey.
Urban Hermit Dev.
What's up, Urban Hermit Dev? Urban Hermit Dev? I'm just gonna call you Hermit. How's it going, man? I see you used an emoji. That's one of the few emojis I'm able to parse so far. Thank you for doing that.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glory
Okay, there we go. That's what I was doing wrong. Sounds good. Guess you could have, guess I could have put a few more spaces in my name, eh? Starting fresh on this account because branding, so I have no fancy emotes unlocked. Yeah, fair enough, man. How did you go about building your live chat using WebSockets? Does it store all the messages or start deleting at a certain point? Not WebSockets, Mitch, but I used just the some library, a library that's wrapping the TMI.js library, and just makes it a little bit easier. And yeah, I am storing them all at the moment in an array, and I'm not calling them at any point, so that is probably something I should look into doing in the future, but so far I haven't ran into any performance issues. Cool, yeah, I'm using TMI2, likely up to the same point. Yeah. Just curious, you guys, can you hear random guitar playing in the background? Is that coming through? Because I'm just curious. Can't hear guitar. Okay, cool. Good stuff. Very faintly, says Hermit. Okay. Whatever. As long as it's not ruining anything for you guys, I'll leave it be. Okay, so we're gonna have to do our arms after this, but the legs are just about done for the down side. So Hermit, do you have a schedule of sorts for when you plan on starting your streams up? Or is it kind of project dependent like you were mentioning before?
Keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Let's see. Maybe about there. Maybe I'll further down, actually. There we go. Project dependent, but I'm rolling along. Things I want to do first: fix a client server timing issue I've been having, finish moving from WebSockets to WebRTC, and probably introduce this update compartment idea I have. Alright, cool. Are you at liberty to tell us about the update compartment, or is it top secret at the moment? The name intrigues me. There we go. That looks like potentially a... Oh, wait, no, hold on, we gotta do the arms. Yeah, with any luck, I'll be moving out to my own place in the near distant future, and I'll be no roommates, so I'll be able to have a really sweet stream set up. I'm really looking forward to that. Not secret at all, says Urban Hermit. Basically, I'm going to divide the game world up into regions. Clients will be able to subscribe for updates about moving entities in each region, so that we don't have to tell every client about every change across the whole server. Right, that makes sense. That's cool. Nice. So it's, yeah, like kind of like a region by region system to optimize things a bit. That's smart. Nice. That was frame 6, frame 2, and I'll move it over to the side frame 6. Where else you can put the... Two other goals for the network compartments, or for the network compartments: full rollback netcode and seamless player and object movement from one to the next. Can't stick around for the whole stream, but wanted to drop in. Yeah, of course, man. Thanks for dropping in. Always much appreciated. I like these ideas though, Urban Hermit Dev, so yeah, pretty excited to check out your stream whenever you're ready. I like watching friends dev streams. And Mitch, we're still waiting on dev streams too, sir. We need the Mitching Hour dev streams. Are you gonna give it a cool name? Like, you've got the Mitching Hour and the Testing Hour. Are you gonna name it something clever? I know, haha, it's coming. If you're interested in that WebRTC timing experiment, I can drop a link. Yeah, sure, man. The segment will be called Code Mode. I have some graphics for it. Sweet, dude. I like the name already. Code Mode. Okay, let's see. WebRTC drift measurement. So it's a Heroku app. Okay. Okay, so you might have to walk us through this. Let's see what it is. Tick null, messages 0, messages clean 0, messages deserialized 0. You'll have to pull up the browser client for the full experience. Have to pull up the browser client? What do you mean? What do you mean browser client, Urban Hermit? Oh, browser console. Okay, cool, cool. Got it open. So what do we got in here? WebSocket, socket.id, blah blah, dot connected. or blah blah connected, set channel state open, WebSocket disconnect, WebSocket close, 1000. So what are we looking at here, Urban Hermit? Okay, so the idea, the server has a set interval loop going, spamming out updates 30 or 60 times per frame, but the timing on set interval can drift and there can be latency too. It looks like your instance didn't fully connect. Okay, let's try reloading it. Times per second, yeah, okay. How's that? We don't have that error anymore, so... I've still got tick null though, so I don't know if I'm connected to that update loop or not. Nope, you'd see a bunch more activity on the canvas and in the console. Ah, bummer. Okay, well, still pretty cool. I like your idea of the regions thing. That's a really good idea. I was planning on doing something similar to that with my planet game, but on a planet by planet basis instead of a regional basis. Same idea though. And you're using Canvas for this, I see, so is this all... Anyway, you want the client's view of the world to follow the loop on the server, which means it needs to make small adjustments all the time. Yeah, okay. Cool, man. Very cool, very nifty. Kind of annoying that it exploded, but whatever. Yeah. Sorry, mate. What is a tester's job if not to explode things? Oops. Alright. If we don't do the arm animation, it kind of looks like she's doing like an Irish dance. Put that one back. I think this was the first one. Yep. Cut everything out of that frame. Put this frame back. This one. Copy everything and paste it. Because that frame is... Oops, not that frame. Wait, yes, that frame. Man, the copy and paste in Sprite is really annoying sometimes. It like gets confused about if you want to copy a frame or like all the contents of the frame. So okay, copy. Yeah, see, look at that. It's like pasting the whole frame when I just want the contents of the frame. There we go. I think I got it. One more frame of arms, and then we have a forward walking animation. Oh yeah. I like animating, but I just find it so time consuming, you know?
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie.
Turn off the audio skin just so I make sure I snag the right color. Snag that. Audio skin back on.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without
Alright.
giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
Put her hand back on. Alright.
Now you know why I had to go. I still love you. I hope you know. Can't deny the
And
truth.
onion skin
We were
off.
never meant to be. Sorry I had to leave. Oh,
Alrighty, let's take a look at our forward running animation. Mary walk down. Hey, that's not bad, is it? Not perfect, but it's pretty... That'll do nicely. I'm pretty happy with that, guys. Looks great, says the Mitching Hour. Thanks, Mitch. So cause I don't super feel like doing a bunch more animation just now, I'm gonna take a little coding break. Jeez. And throw something in here. Oh, hey Mitch, by the way, I've got a fancy new command in my on my stream that you can try out if you want. You can use the localhost command, and it'll give you a tunnel to the localhost that I'm using, and you can bring it up on your computer.
Sarikton has entered the chat. Welcome, Sarikton.
I gotta make it so it doesn't announce myself when I enter, because I'm just a bot in this case, but yeah. So that should work. I think everything's up and running, and then it might take a while to load, but very cool, says Mitch. Thank you, Sar. I thought that would be a nice touch. So, going up / down, going sideways. We have down, so we'll say Mary walk down. Repeat. Megaphone. Now it's going to yell at us because it's not there yet, but we just have to export it. look at that. She walks. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Doesn't stop, but we can do that. Let's say if Vy equals 0. Shoot, how are we gonna do this? So we've got Vy, I'm guessing, is, yeah, vertical. Oh, velocity y. Yeah, okay. I think what we're gonna do is introduce an animation direction. So we'll say this dot Mary animdir equals down. This dot Mary animdir up. This dot Mary animdir equals down. Say if Vy is equal to down. And we'll say else if greater than 0. This will be walk down eventually. But otherwise, it'll say this dot Mary dot play. Key is Mary idle. This dot Mary animdir. And we'll say repeat 0 and true. Take a look. Didn't seem to work. Just console log Vy. Oh. Going sideways, going up slash down. Oh, I see, because... Oh, okay, so we can use this in a slightly different way. She doesn't have a target X and a target Y, we should just be able to play an idle animation. Cool. Well, that's one animation down. I always love testing a fresh animation. Alright, back to the animation table. So we'll start on our up animation. Nine. I'm also going to do the arms at the same time as the legs this time, so it'll take a little longer, but then we don't have to go back and do them all over again every time I do a frame. Okay. So when she's walking down, it'll be her left leg that steps back first. Okay. So we'll do something like that. Maybe not quite that far. Yeah, something like this.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know.
Alright.
Pockets empty but ours are full anyway. Hey. Playing like children and love like car and J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway.
Okay.
I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone.
See how this
to
looks.
make your parents mad. Say
Actually, no.
to your life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head. You talk to me
Alright.
like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. Yeah. You take a picture of us kissing in cars. It makes my day 10 times better. Yeah.
That looks like a step forward.
And love like orange J. You
Maybe we'll just move it down a bit too.
but I wanted you anyway. I
Yeah,
always
that's
loved
good.
you over my head, even when you
Now,
lived
because
alone
her
to make your
right leg is
parents
going
mad.
forward, we want her left arm to
Say
go forward.
goodbye to your life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you
So we'll drop that down to about there. Other arm. Okay. Drawing her hand. Fill in her sleeves. And her pants. Let's take a look at this as a whole. Yep, that'll do me.
Gotta give
So, let's take a look here. Maybe have this leg kick back a bit more. Is that too far? That might be a little too far. On the left leg, I think that's a little too far. Yep, that'll do alright.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say
Okay.
to change your. Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say.
That looks alright for a first step. Animating's hard work, people. one over. This one. Whoa, what just happened? There. Okay, now let's get started on the next leg.
I remember the days,
So the right leg
always
goes
at the same
forward, now
place,
the left leg
the same
will go
people
forward.
every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you. You keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin. But even so, yeah, I need you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a
Do the same thing we
Sunday.
did last time.
I can feel the beat on my heart
This
and beat.
over so we can see
'Cause it tastes
a
like
bit of a
candy.
visual reference on where they're going.
'Cause it tastes like candy.
Line everything up nicely.
'Cause it tastes like candy. I remember the night when you kissed me goodbye, and I said I'd be just fine. The next day you were gone, packed your car and left on. But looking back, I still want you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat on my heart and beat. 'Cause it tastes like candy. Tasty.
And I did the same thing we did last time, which is I buggered up
Eat you
the
on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can live.
okay, so
You taste like
buggered up
candy.
the
Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat
little
on my
downward
heart and grieve.
dip she does, or she's supposed to
It
do.
tastes like candy.
So we'll just move her legs up a bit.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to.
Totally working on the wrong frame.
Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past.
Good thing I caught that. That could have been bad.
Your relationships are never meant to last.
There we go. Now. Dip. Good.
All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but it'll be alright. I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. Moving on.
Alright. We're getting there, folks. We are getting there.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah,
Okay.
we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty
One
of
more
Savannah.
frame for this one.
Let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come.
Okay.
The birds
Before I
have
forget,
just
we're gonna
begun.
move her down a few pixels.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go
Maybe
back
just
to
back up
when we
one.
were young.
Yeah.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were sown.
Sag.
Kids across the
11. Bring it up to 14.
Savannah, I'm
And
coming
that's our guide
home.
for the other
Savannah,
side.
we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Okay. our shoes back on. Or her shoe, because the other one is more visible. Okay. That color again. Bucket out. This one, brush it. Copy that frame, move it over so it transitions back. And now, whew, after all that, we might just have Mary walk up. Let's take a look. Well, I've got to go. Happy spriting, says Urban Hermit Dev. Of course, man. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. That looks pretty good to me. Only thing I'm noticing, I think it might be better if on this frame her arm doesn't go quite as far in. You know what? That's a nitpicky thing. I'm quite alright with that. Let's do Mary walk up. And it'll scream at us about, yeah. But yeah, thanks Urban Hermit, thanks for hanging out. Good luck on your endeavors, and keep us posted about the stream. There we go. Cool. Got an up and a down, and now we just got to do a side. I don't want to see what happens if we up the frame rate a bit too.
One hour remaining.
Ooh, 1 hour remaining. Might have been one of his Let's try like 20. 20 is probably too high, but I just want to take a look. Hey, yeah. That's funny. Oops. Try like 16. Love that. What lib are you using for time? No library for that, Mitch. I'm just got a set interval loop running and updating every second. And yeah, just formatting it with some code I found on Stack Overflow. Keeping track of all the seconds and all that. Nice. Yeah. Now, while we're here, there's one other thing I've been meaning to experiment with and see if it solves a problem. You'll notice how when she walks, when she plays the walking animation, you'll notice that she's got these lines on either side of her that appear and disappear. I think that's because there's a little bit of the other frames are bleeding into her frame a little bit. So something I've been meaning to try is there's this spacing and padding stuff. Space between each frame and the edge of the sprite sheet. Space between each frame in the sprite sheet, aka shape padding. Extra space inside frame edges. So let's try putting like 2 there. So now she's a little more spaced out on the frames, which is kind of what we're going for. I just want to see if that magically solves that. Oh, it totally does. Look at that, no more lines. Hell yeah! Sweet. Very jolly walker. Woo! Says Mitch. Yeah. I had a hunch that that's what that was for. I saw that feature a long time ago and I was like, I didn't know what that was. So what happens with the phone in the bottom right? Oh right, yeah, Mitch, you weren't here for that. So now we have the little pop-up phone menu that we were working on a while back, but you open it with this little phone button. And we haven't done anything further with this, just styled it a bit, but yeah, we've got it so it pops up when you open that phone menu. Because the whole idea is she communicates with the living world through text messages. I like that, says Mitch. Thanks, man. Might tone that walk down just a touch more. Let's try 14. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. Alrighty, back to one. This stream is honestly probably just gonna be animation, so sorry if anyone was expecting code, but we gotta do it all. So, are you still working on Penemy? Says Mitch. I haven't in a while, Mitch. I sort of got disheartened with dealing with Apple and the whole like not being able to push updates to my iOS users thing. I contacted their support, but they kind of just looped me back around to a bunch of support docs that I'd already read and stuff, and I just never ended up following up with them, and I've just left it there. Damn, yeah, that's a pain. Yeah, exactly, man. It is what it is, but I actually hate that expression. It is what it is. I don't like that expression. But anyways, yeah. App dev sucks. Yeah. It's tricky at the best of times. But I probably will pick it back up in the future. It's just, yeah, I gotta get over that whole not being able to push updates to the iOS users thing. That was really a draw on it, a drag down. Okay, so now we get to animate her side-to-side walk. Alright. Pop her from there. Basically to her hair.
of time. You could be mine before all that you put me through. I knew that you were trouble, but I let that you were bad. I'm living in this bubble and it makes you so mad. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
Got this color in here.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
Got the avatars coming through now. Hell yeah, Mitch. That's sick, dude. Did you do it with the caching? The caching worked. Perfect. Nice. Yeah, dude. That's awesome, man. I'm excited to see that for sure. That's really cool, buddy. Got any demo reels I can bring up? A little demo video or something? Or a screenshot would be cool. That would work. Yep, 1 sec. Sweet.
I live my life on the run. I say I'm not giving up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love.
Forgot already. We gotta dip her down a bit.
I feel like losing my conscience. Traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance.
Oh, nice. Got it on Discord. Alrighty.
You caught me renegade. Oh, through all my
You guys get to see my top secret Discord communications.
but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love.
Oh, that's so cool, Mitch. Nice, dude. Well done, sir. That looks really classy. That's clean, man. It's really snappy. Oh, and it's really snappy. Nice, dude. That's great. That looks awesome, dude. Well done. Still a lot to go, but it's nice finally getting that piece done. Yeah, I bet, dude. I bet that feels awesome.
I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my
I have a gigantic diagram that I'm ready to start coding. Nice. What are you using to make your diagrams, Mitch? I was talking with Trezzy earlier and he introduced me to this whole thing called UML, which I've never heard of before. I'm curious to know if you're using the same thing. You just use Adobe Animate, previously Flash. Okay, gotcha. Because I was a Flash man, so it's just second nature. I feel you on that, dude. Flash was the bomb. I was so sad when Flash went away. I think we've had this conversation before, but yeah, Flash was the shit. Same, super sad. Exactly, dude. I still haven't gotten past the fact that Flash was all, oh, okay, you got a jet and prepared lunch. I'll catch up with you soon. Yeah, no sweat, man. I was just saying I can't get past the fact that Flash was all SVG, and we still don't really have like something you can do with. Oh, as far as I know, there's no like web game engine that does SVG really optimally. Maybe there is, and I just don't know about it, but who knows, maybe we'll do future streams on this mysterious game engine. Good. I always just have to walk through like walking animations in my head because they're tricky to get them looking perfect, looking right. It's really easy to make a walking animation look all janky and weird. particularly from the side. The side is like where you see the most of the walking animation. So
Rising with each beat of the music is bringing. We're flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart so full. I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
that looks alright to move on. It's a bit of a grind, but once this is done, the game's gonna look a lot better. And, yeah. I think I have to move her down one. Start from this frame this time so that her arms are already in the place they need to be. But we're gonna make her legs a little different.
Rising with each beat of the music is bringing. We're flames
Move
in
her
the
up a
fire
frame
that keeps
too, a pixel or
burning.
two.
We're inviting
Not two, just
the
one.
night in. Welcome, my heart so full. I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
Okay. Up there for that one. And front-landed. Get out of here, big sir.
We stay when the music
Front-landed, just gonna pass down about here. Across. This needs to be a little more. Okay. Okay, we'll move this in. There we go. Nice.
Whew, almost there. We're so close.
Alright. Let's do this. So now, I'm actually going to start this way. Again, so that her arms are kind of where we want them to be. Moved up a little bit more and starting to come down. And her back leg. Continuing along that path.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know
Alright,
it ain't
pick it
easy
up.
living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
Okay.
Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out, yeah.
There we go.
Talking about nothing. Then you say
Alright.
something under your breath.
Couple more frames, people. Couple more frames.
Thinking, I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud.
Okay.
To the B side.
Pants. Now this leg will kind of extend. Start to come down. This one. So that one's in kickoff, that one's going down, so this one has to. Where are we starting? We're starting there. Yeah, somewhere around here.
Get down to the B side.
Yeah, about there. That'll do.
Hmm. 30 minutes remaining.
30 minutes remaining. Gotta get it back to this part here. I think her legs gotta be a little longer here too. That looks a little stumpy to me. Okay, let's just keep going. Also got a better other arm coming out of there. Just take a look at how this looks. Side. Yeah, that looks pretty
Somehow
good.
I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. Can't get
Down one.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
Bring this arm back a little more.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
And this arm can come out, or up, rather.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every
Alright.
night. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. How'd I end up alone? I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you're Hollywood perfect.
This leg, let's go down.
Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect.
Crisp 7777 has entered the chat.
Hey, Chris.
Welcome Crisp 7777.
How's it going, man?
Hollywood perfect.
Stream's going pretty good. We got 24 minutes left, and we're just
24
finishing up.
minutes remaining.
Thank you, Robot. Mr. Bot Damon. But yeah, we're doing pretty good. We're working on some walk cycles for a character for our game. This is what we got so far. We got a forward walk animation and a backwards walk animation. And we're just working on one for the sides now. And then once we got that, we got all our walk animations for our main character down. Animating takes me a really long time though, you know, so it's taken up basically the whole stream just animating her. How are you doing tonight, Chris? Nice, looks very smooth. Phaser by the looks of it. Yes, correct, sir. Phaser 3. We're using 3.5 beta something, and you're doing well, no complaints, right on. Are you a phaser developer yourself? Eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got one more frame to go. So maybe. This frame will kick up. This leg will kick up a little more. A little. Actually, I think I might have seen you in the Phaser Discord a few times. Oh, cool, man. Yeah. Yeah, I usually post a go live notification in there, and I sometimes join in the conversations too. So yeah, very well might have seen me in there, man. Are you working on any projects of late, or just kind of learning, or like where are you at in your Phaser life cycle? Let's see here. Shoes in there. I've used Phaser for a few Ludum Dares. Nice. But my most recent project, I'm using React plus GreenSock combination for something different. Cool, cool. What is GreenSock? I've heard of React. I love React. I use React a lot at work and on some other projects of mine, but what's GreenSock? I've never heard of that before. Again, my disclaimer is I'm not the best animator in the world, but this is actually looking alright. GreenSock is an animation lib actually from the Flash days, also called GSAP. Okay, yes. GSAP, right. You can do a lot of scroll-based animations and stuff like that with that. Am I correct in thinking that? I think I was working on a GSAP project with a friend
20 minutes remaining.
Back. 20 minutes remaining, people. That's the one. Sweet. That is one of their plugins. Okay, cool. Does GSAP and React play nicely together? It might be something worth looking into for some of my other projects as well, if they do. LOL, not really. Okay. Well, fair enough. Because I figure that GSAP probably modifies the DOM quite a bit, right? And then React wouldn't really like that, because React sort of likes to manage the DOM exclusively. I think for general web dev animation, something like React Spring is probably better. Okay, okay. 100% correct. Yeah, for sure. That was my sort of fear of using those two together. That actually doesn't look half bad. Anyways, how many frames are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we need one more frame to make it equal with the other ones, which kind of makes me I'm okay with that. Move her up a pixel. May I ask what the project is, Chris, or is it top secret at the moment? Because on this channel, sharing it's all about show and tell, man. So where we're at. But if it's top secret, I completely understand. So don't feel obligated to tell us your top secret projects.
"17 minutes 8 seconds remaining."
17 minutes, 8 seconds remaining. Okay. So this is as compared to the first frame. Not far off. Not secret at all, just a game dev project on the side, top-down RPG. I posted a few vids/pics over on Nerd Nest, which is how I found your stream today. Oh, cool, man, cool. Yeah, that Nerd Nest, that's Rub-a-Dub's Discord, isn't it? Did you catch his stream earlier today, Chisk? That's the one. I missed it. Time zones. Ah, yeah, fair enough, man. Yeah, time zones make streaming a little tricky sometimes. Where am I based? I'm in Victoria, British Columbia in Canada, so Pacific Standard time zone. So it's, time is it? 8:43 for me. How about yourself? Okay, we're so close, guys. We're so close. Ah, nice, nice. Victoria too, but the Australian variety. Oh, cool. Have you ever seen Mr. Mitch's stream, The Mitching Hour? He's based in Sydney, Australia. And he's got a really good stream. It's a buddy of mine from streaming in Discord and whatnot. Hello, says The Mitching Hour. Cool, I haven't. We'll check it out. That's the man right there. That's the one you want. He's an Australia-based streamer, so you guys can talk about all your Australian things together. Hey, Mitch, did I ever tell you that my mom is from New Zealand? How you doing, mate? Sydney. That was so perfectly timed. Oh, really? NZ? Correct. Correct. She's from Auckland. Or she's from Whangarei. Whangarei. I can never really pronounce it right, but Whangarei. Followed. Thanks, Chris. Did you oh, wait. Hold on. That means something's not working on my stream, because it's supposed to shout out if people follow. Awkward. Oops, I meant Mitch. Yeah, so it's all good. You just gave me a start because I've got a system I followed you yesterday off stream. Oh, okay, cool, Chris. I've just got a system on my stream that should be alerting me when people follow, so you gave me a little moment I thought it wasn't working. Because that was a pain in the butt to set up. Mitch knows all about that, getting the follow settings set, or the follower notifications working on the Twitch API. That was real fun. Okay guys, this might be her walk animation from the side. Her arm's kind of going like, but it'll work. It'll do. It'll do. It'll do. Good question, Mitch. I am curious to know that as well. I guess JavaScript, right? Because you said you were working with React and GSAP, and then Phaser as well. I'm a web dev, so mostly Vue, JS, and Node. Cool. Oh, wait, that's Mitch. Sorry. I knew that. Okay, so... Mary walk side. There we go. Look at that, guys. She can walk. Hold on. I want that to be, even though it does technically work, it's repeat -1, and we'll throw in a frame rate too of 14. There we go, guys. We have a successful walk animation. Very cool. For game dev, I'm mostly using TypeScript plus React. For my web dev, my day job, it's React, Node, PHP, Laravel, and all that other jazz that goes along with it. Looking good, says Chris. Thanks. Sarek, Mitch says, me, you're so fast to make complex stuff work. Well done. Thank you, Mitch. It's a really nice compliment, sir. Oh, right, and we're not updating the animdir, so we gotta do this. Say animdir is side. There we go. That's cool you're using Laravel, Chris. I use that at my work as well. How do you feel about it? Oh, that feels so good to finally get that animation done. Oh. I'm fairly new to the back end. I'm pretty slow with it. I'm much better client side, says Mitch. Yeah, back end is a whole other beast. It takes a while to get everything connecting kosher. Yeah, I love it. The transition to 8 was a little jarring. The transition to Laravel 8. Yeah. And yeah, full stack. Cool. Yeah, I hadn't used it in a really long time, so when I dove back in, it was on version 8, and it was a lot different than I remembered, but it's good. And for a lot of my work projects, still use 5.5 and 6, so it kind of, I get the best of both worlds. So why don't we get this all tied up and pushed online? Let's say get status. That all looks right. So get div. Yeah, nice. Are you working for companies or freelance, says Chris? I'm working for one company based out of Toronto. I just got the job quite recently, actually. I've only been there about 4 or 5 weeks now, like 2 of which were vacation, so realistically I've only been there like 3 weeks. But yeah, it's going pretty good so far. I'm working with a friend, which is always fun. And Yeah, it's going good.
Yeah, you've watched me break it.
How long have you been at your current position, Chris?
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you
Let's see, so git commit dash m, as walking animation for Mary.
turning off my mind so
I used to work freelance, but I work part-time now for for a company that does surf/weather reports. Oh, cool, cool. Surf like surfing? I take it? Because that's kind of cool. What branch are we on? I think I made it... I think I did the whole main branch. Yeah, so git
be waiting for
push
you in the morning.
origin.
I'ma leave without
Wait, I'm gonna try and
you.
switch the upstream. So dash u origin main.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie.
Branch main set up to track. Remote branch main from origin.
'Cause you never show.
Okay.
You say you will,
Yeah,
but then you don't.
I wish I surfed. Yeah, that's very cool. Thanks, man. Yeah.
Turning off my mind so I get by.
Yeah, I wish I surfed too, Mitch. I skateboard, but surfing's a whole other beast. I tried it once and I couldn't even get on the board. I can't even swim, says Mitch. Oh man, I'm sorry. That's heart-wrenching.
Happier tonight.
Now I gotta figure out how to make main the main branch, because I started with master, but then I was educated on the whole Black Lives Matter terminology movement, so switched it over to main, but I haven't figured out how to make main the main branch yet, so I'll have to do that. We got 6 minutes, let's try and figure it out. How to switch branch on Git. Oh yeah, easily rename.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time
That was easy. Yeah, no kidding. So git branch dash m master main
pockets empty, but ours are full anyway.
is move, so your m is move, so your history isn't changed.
Children, love like orange. You were too good for me.
I feel like that's not gonna work for me because I've already got a main branch.
I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your
So try it.
follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over
Switch to origin master. Okay. So now let's remove the main branch. Forget how to do that too, so we're gonna have to look that up. Okay, remove branch. Hopefully and remote. Wait, hang on. I've got a trick for this. Boom. Click the terminal. Now it's right there. Git branch dash G. Dash D. Main.
take a picture of us kissing
Git
and
push.
it makes my day 10 times better.
Just make sure it actually is on master so I don't lose all our work.
Like children and love like orange. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad.
And endure. Okay, yeah, it's on master. Cool.
Say goodbye to your life, turn the page, follow my bed.
Git push origin delete.
Loving you over my head.
deleted main. So now let's try and rename master domain. Get branch dash m master main. Okay. Push origin push dash u. Okie dokie, let's take a look. We still have the main master branch, but... well, I guess I'll have to save that for a future one. Bummer. Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
Thanks for joining tonight, everybody. I had a really good time. Mitch, did you never take swim lessons when you were a kid? No, I did. You did? Did you fail the swim lessons? But it was so long ago, haha. Yeah, fair enough, Mitch. How old are you actually? I'm curious. If I may be so bold as to ask, how old are you? I'm 27. Are you 34? Cool. Okay. And I can't really swim, but I'm decent at not drowning. Okay, well, good life skill. Good life skill for sure. By the way, Chris, if you're interested in joining our Discord, there be the link. Damon, main screen.
Showing your computer screen.
Cool, cool. We'll check it out. Sounds good. Oh, Mitch, I see you're back on the server. Hell yeah, man. What's up? Not drowning sounds like swimming to me. Yeah, right? No kidding. This was a good stream, guys. I'm really pleased that we got that walking animation down. That's looking pretty decent to me. I'm pretty happy with that. And we managed to solve the mysterious lines that appear around the outside of the sprite. That I'm very pleased with because... Ooh, says Urban Hermit Dev. What's up, man? You're welcome back. Yeah, we got the walk animation down now, so all that time messing with pixels was worth it. And
time is up.
Time is up, except it says I have 1 second left. I forgot to fix that, but anyway, minor detail. So thanks for joining tonight, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so I'm gonna end it there, guys. Thanks for joining. Damon, roll credits.
Good night, everybody.
So thanks for all y'all who chatted. We'll see your names on the left. And, yeah. Good night, everybody. I hope you have a really good evening. That's awesome, says Mitch. Thanks, buddy. Alright. See ya, mate. See ya, see ya. See ya, guys. Cool stream. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Bye. Night, Kirk. Bye, y'all.